Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download HP on 17 driver download from the HP official website from the official website. Okay, so how to it's first of all open any browser and type Google search box to this. Okay, then go to support.hp.com. This is official website and driver download model. Right click to open new tab. Go to this tab. This is your laptop. You can change your operating system like 20h2 and like okay. And if you using different operating system like Windows 10, Windows 11, so you can download select Windows 10 and download it. It will be run. Okay. It will be installed successfully without any error. No worry about that. So BIOS diagnostic, audio driver, chipset, graphic card, network, storage, firmware, all driver, how lot of driver available. But guys, I suggest you just install audio driver, chipset, graphic card, network, mouse input, and network and keyboard mouse. Like 5 driver you have to just install it from audio to network. Okay. So how to install the network audio driver? Just click to download. This is first complete this one. Second chipset, try this one. Okay, click to download. And this is graphic card, so try to Nvidia. Okay, only one in. Okay, then keyboard mouse. This is touchpad driver, so only try to this one, only one. Okay, then network. This is a Wi-Fi driver. This is local area net, means LAN driver, and this is Bluetooth driver. Okay, starting first. So I show you how to download. Just click to download. Wait few seconds. Automatically will start for the downloading like that. This is started. And if you go to back and install to more driver, so just click for more driver. Okay, it will come to automatically in here. Okay, and which is downloaded file, just single click to open and click to yes. Then next, agree the team and license. Then next, if you can, this is installations path, so you can change different locations, so you can, otherwise you just click to next. This is install all the driver installed. After that you restart your system, and if you facing some issues, so please comment me, I will support you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.